Beneath the surface of the ocean, where sunlight dissolves into endless blue darkness, something ancient watches. It forces us to confront a daring question. What if one of Earth's most intelligent creatures has no spine, no skull, and no central brain? Cephalopods, the group that includes octopuses, trace their lineage back more than 500 million years. Octopuses themselves emerged around 330 million years ago. They survived mass extinctions. They endured shifting continents and violent climate upheavals. And yet they remain soft-bodied, fragile, completely unarmored. How could such a creature outlast animals built like tanks? At first glance, it seems defenseless. But in less than a second, its body transforms. Smooth skin erupts into spikes. Pale flesh shifts into mottled stone. A drifting shadow becomes coral. Predators hesitate. Observers stare in disbelief. This is not weakness. It is strategy. The octopus does not merely hide. It performs. Some species flatten their bodies and undulate their arms to mimic venomous sea snakes. Others spread themselves wide, imitating the spine silhouette of lionfish. The tiny yet deadly blue-ringed octopus pulses electric neon circles, not to conceal itself, but to warn. Why signal danger instead of slipping away unseen? Because survival in the ocean is not about mastering one defense. It is about becoming unpredictable. Inside its body, 3 hearts beat relentlessly. 2 pump blood through the gills. 1 circulates it through the rest of the body. Its blood is blue, powered by hemocyanin, a copper-based protein that carries oxygen with remarkable efficiency in cold, low-oxygen waters. Where other creatures slow down, the octopus remains active. But the true revolution lies in its nervous system. An octopus possesses roughly 500 million neurons, comparable to a dog. Yet only a third reside in its central brain. The rest extend along its 8 arms. Each arm can sense, taste, and make decisions independently, almost as if your own hands had their own awareness. When an octopus explores a rocky crevice, its limbs move with uncanny autonomy. They respond instantly to pressure, texture, and chemical signals. Even when severed, an arm may continue reacting for nearly an hour. No central command, no constant supervision, a distributed intelligence unlike anything we know. This is not a creature that thinks with a brain alone. It thinks with its entire body. Such architecture enables extraordinary multitasking. While the central brain monitors threats, the arms pry open shells, shift stones, and explore hidden spaces simultaneously. Parallel processing in its purest biological form, something humans are only beginning to imitate with machines. And then there is camouflage. Not just hiding, but erasing. Chromatophores expand and contract in milliseconds, shifting color faster than a chameleon. Iridophores reflect shimmering blues and greens. Leucophores scatter light, adjusting brightness to match the world around it. Octopuses are largely colorblind, yet they blend seamlessly with astonishing precision. Their skin detects light intensity and contrast. Their bodies respond before conscious vision becomes necessary. Smooth flesh becomes jagged rock. Soft curves become coral ridges. The animal does not disappear. It rewrites what you see. Camouflage is only the beginning. Octopuses display problem-solving abilities that rival many vertebrates. The coconut octopus gathers discarded shells and carries them across the seabed, assembling portable shelters. At times, it even walks on 2 arms while transporting its mobile fortress. Foresight was once considered rare outside humans and certain birds. How can a creature with a lifespan of only 1 or 2 years plan for tomorrow? In laboratory experiments, octopuses have opened sealed jars from the inside, solved complex puzzles, and remembered solutions long after first encountering them. Their intelligence evolved independently from mammals. Complex cognition did not arise once on Earth. It emerged more than once. Even more astonishing, some species can edit their own RNA, fine-tuning neural proteins in response to environmental changes. This is not slow evolution. It is real-time biological reprogramming unfolding within a single life. Researchers have observed octopuses in states resembling active sleep. Their skin flickers with shifting patterns. Arms twitch, eyes move beneath closed lids. Perhaps dreaming does not belong only to mammals. For decades, octopuses were considered solitary hunters. Yet dense aggregation sites off Australia reveal repeated interactions between individuals, hinting at social behaviors far more complex than once imagined. And then comes the most haunting chapter. After laying thousands of eggs, a female octopus begins her final vigil. She stops eating. She guards her clutch for months. She cleans and protects them as her body slowly deteriorates. Hormonal changes trigger an irreversible countdown. She will not survive to see them hatch. Because in the deep sea, survival is not measured in years. It is measured in intensity. Learn fast. Adapt faster. Pass forward the genetic code. The octopus challenges nearly every assumption about intelligence. A mind does not require bones. It does not require a long childhood. It does not require primate societies. It can taste with its skin, think with its arms, rewrite aspects of its own biology, disappear in plain sight. And in ways we still cannot fully grasp, it may even dream. When you peer into its horizontal pupil, you are not observing something primitive. You are witnessing an alternative blueprint for consciousness. If intelligence can emerge in a body so alien, so distributed, so radically different from our own, then awareness may not be a rare accident. It may be a possibility woven into life itself. And the ocean may not be silent. It may simply be thinking in a language we have yet to understand.